Okay, kids, good morning again. It was really, really good to see you yesterday, and I loved your eyes, I loved your smiles, and you really surprised with your favorite toys. Now, today we're going to have another day with wonderful activities. Today is April the 22nd, 2020. And today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Very good. Now, what's the weather like? Let's start with this image. Is today a sunny day? Is it a cloudy day? A little bit sunny and a little bit cloudy? Is it a windy day or is it a rainy day? Well, I don't know because, for example, in my house, today is a little bit rainy. Now, which is the agenda for today? Today we're going to have 3 different parts during the day. At the beginning of the day, we are going to have unit of inquiry and math class. After these 2 hours, we are going to have our snack. Remember that in our snack, we are going to wash our hands, okay? And we can take a balanced snack. During this snack time, think about the process of the meals you are taking. So, for example, if you are eating potato chips, you can think about where these potato chips come from, okay? Now, the second part of the day, we are going to have Spanish, values, and lunch. At lunchtime, remember that you have to wash your hands and take care of yourselves. And the last part of the day, we are going to have a reading time with Miss Gloria Patricia Garzón. Now, people, remember that we were learning Hickory, Dickory, Dock with these animals: mouse, snake, squirrel, cat, monkey, and elephant. Today, I have a new challenge for you. This poem, it's a little one. Bobby bought a book. Bobby baked some bread. Bobby took a bath, then went straight to bed. Bobby bought a book. Bobby baked some bread. Bobby took a bath, then went straight to bed. Remember the images. Bobby bought a book. Bobby baked some bread. Bobby took a bath. And then he went straight to bed. Okay? See you later. I would like to see you in the next class. I love you and kisses for you all. Remember to dance with a turita, a turita, a turita-ta, a turita, a turita, a turita-ta. Okay? Love you. See you later. Bye.